Welcome back to our training course on the Corporate Transparency Act. This is going to be the last section of this where we really talk about the educational stuff. We will then, after this, start going into practical advice, practical tips, as well as a demonstration on how to file a report yourself. So what this video discusses, however, is changes requiring updated reporting. Again, this is not a one and done situation. Your business is a living organism, and so as changes happen, you are required to update FinCEN with that information. Changes that you will need to report will include several categories. If I can get my mouse to work, there we go. One would be ownership changes. Any change in ownership greater than 10% must be reported. So this could happen because you went through a buy-sell, someone sold portions of their ownership, someone quit, they withdrew as a member. It could also happen because of a death of a member, and now the ownership interest got transferred to somebody else. Any change in more than 10% of the company must be reported to FinCEN. Next could be any management changes. So this could be changing your executives, your directors, your trustees, or your managers in themselves. Anyone that has control over the company, if that management structure changes, you will need to file an updated FinCEN report. Address changes for any of the beneficial owners. Again, management and control. So anyone moves, they need to be aware that they need to update you so you can update the FinCEN report. And last but not least, again, this kind of goes back to the initial one, a company sale. If you sell your company, that change in equity obviously exceeds more than 10%. You will now need to, whoever the owner is, will need to go in and update their information and file a brand new FinCEN report on that. You have 30 days from any of these changes to file a report. If you fail to do so, the penalties will start applying at $5.91 a day, adjusted for inflation over time. So that's going to be it for our educational side of the Corporate Transparency Act. The remainder of this course is going to be dedicated to practical tips and videos showing you how to actually file these reports yourself.